In the post-war boom of the 1950s, designers imagined the kitchen as a stage for efficiency, glamour, and futuristic optimism. One of the most audacious proposals was the rotating kitchen carousel, a built-in turntable that would spin an entire work surface, stove, sink, countertops, and storage, so the cook could face wherever the task demanded. Form: the carousel was conceived as a massive, low-profile disc about 8 feet in diameter, mounted on a central bearing concealed within a sleek, stainless steel base. The outer ring bore a glossy, egg-white enamel surface, while modular inserts, steel burners, a chrome-faced sink, and padded countertops, could be swapped out like radial slices of a pie. The silhouette was deliberately cylindrical, echoing the era's fascination with rockets and turntables, and the whole unit was intended to sit flush with bedroom flooring, creating a seamless, floating platform. Function: at the heart of the system lay a worm gear drive, powered by an electric motor hidden beneath the base. With a gentle push of a lever, the carousel would rotate 90 or 180 degrees, bringing the desired workstation into view. Advocates claimed this eliminated the back-and-forth shuffle that plagued home cooks, cutting prep time by a claimed 30%. The design also integrated an early version of a zone control panel, allowing burners or faucet hot water to stay powered regardless of rotation. In theory, the carousel could be set to a fixed position or programmed to a timed sequence, turning the kitchen into a kinetic choreography of daily routines. Aesthetic: rendered in glossy magazine spreads and promotional posters, the carousel combined mid-century modern minimalism with atomic age sparkle. Its smooth, rounded edges echoed the optimism of automobile tailfins, pastel blues, mint greens, and buttery yellows swirled in the illustrations, evoking a kitchen that was both domestic and daringly futuristic. The visual language suggested a utopia where technology liberated the housewife, turning cooking into a graceful, almost dance-like act. Despite enthusiastic press coverage, the rotating kitchen carousel never entered production. The cost of the precision bearing, the complexity of retrofitting existing homes, and a market that soon shifted toward compact appliances all contributed to its quiet demise. Yet its ghost still spins in design archives, a vivid reminder of a time when the very floor of the home was imagined as a moving, elegant machine.